Hello. I thought I'd finished the welding, but as I got the chassis down to bare metal, I noticed how many holes there actually were in the floor of our car. The large holes in the floor could be covered, and the many smaller holes in the chassis rails, they could be patched over too. I cut the patches from 0.9mm 21 gauge steel. That's the thinnest I have. There's no structural strength required, and I could cut the metal easily with my shears. So I cut the pieces to size and cleaned up the edges with the angle grinder. With all the grinding and cleaning, the metalwork is getting a bit thin, so I needed to be careful not to burn through the delicate steel. So there's not much gas left, but I did turn it down a bit. I turned the welder power down to 2. It says volts, but it means amps. I turned the wire feed down to 2 also. Now we're running 0.8mm wire here. Now this welder is good and adjustable, and we can adapt it to any job. So I don't blow through the steel, I'm going to use a cadence welding technique, which is just lots of short jabs. So just a short jab to make a weld, and running the next one close up to that so it looks like a continuous weld. Well, a bit like one. This technique, it's a bit tedious, but with care it avoids blowing a hole through the steel. There were a number of random screw holes in the floor which needed patching up also. I built the weld up on them and ground them back flat. There were 15 or 20 holes to fill. These were all patched and tidied up. I'll seam seal them after I've etched primed the chassis. So next job, I'll carry on cleaning off the old primer, ready for this etching, which will be next up. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.